YouTube fam, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a short and sweet vlog. We got an unboxing. I'm real excited about this one. This is way overdue. These are a pair of sneakers I've had my eyes on for like 7 years now. I've been keeping an eye on them on eBay and StockX and Grill over the years, but never pulled the trigger. I definitely didn't have the money when they first came out in 2019. Let's go ahead and get this out. I got the LV trainer sneakers by Virgil Abloh. These came out back in 2019. I was living in Virginia Beach, or I just moved to Philly at the time. These are the first sneakers he designed while he was there. And these are like real revolutionary, man, because these are the first of its kind. It's like the first one to bridge the gap between athletic sneaker, 1990s sneaker culture, and blended perfectly with like high-end luxury fashion. The dude was a trailblazer. These always stuck out to me, and they've always been on my mind to cop. I just couldn't cop at the time. Your boy was dead broke. I think they were like around $1,100 or $1,200 for retail when they first dropped. It just won't happen. I saw a used pair on StockX for around $700, and I sent in an offer for $600, but I didn't get a response. And I noticed that the seller was sold out in New Jersey. I've ran across their Instagram a few times, and I know they got a good reputation for selling sneakers. So I just reached out to them directly because I can get a response, and we agreed at a price of $600 plus shipping, of course. So I need y'all to let me know what y'all think, deal or no deal. So right here it says $700, sold out in New Jersey, size 9.5, and Louis Vuitton uses UK sizes. So a 10 in UK is an 11, but I had decided to go another half size down because all the reviews I was seeing on YouTube, that's what helped me land at the 9.5. Hope it works out. Let's just go ahead and get into it, man. I'm about to pull it out. Remember, these are used sneakers with the original box. You got all your regular LV stuff. You got the dust bag, got the box. It's a little broken that comes with the spare laces. Then you got like the pamphlet for like the instruction manual and everything, and like how to care for the product. Let's go ahead and get into it, bro. My senses are tingling, about to explode. Oh my God.
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
These things icy. As you see, they're in real good condition. The only thing I'm seeing off rip is the creasing right here, which is to be expected. These are 9 years old. If I look at all the sneakers I own that I bought in 2019 or later, they're definitely not in this good a condition, man. So shout out to whoever had these, previous owners. Y'all took good care of these. You did a lot better than your boy Q, that's for sure. The soles are in real good condition. I don't see any like major scuffs, no permanent stains. Even the sole is in great condition. Off the bat, you also can just see that inspiration for the Cement 3s, the Jordans. With the colorway, the black, gray, and white. Even the sole, with that red circle, it looks just like the bottom, the soles for the Jordans as well. I don't know, it's just like a real beautiful sneaker to me. And the colorway allows you to sort of get away with a lot of fits. It's not doing too much. It's low profile, low tops. They have a high top version of this too. Like, they're really high. Like, them things are like up here. A lot of LV branding, but it ain't like too much. It's like still minimal. You put the LV logo right here. You put it in the rubber grid design right here on the side, so it's not really sticking out too much. And then you have the signature, Louis Vuitton. I believe it's his signature. And then you have the number 54. I think it's on both of the shoes on the heels. Pays homage to the year LV was founded. I think it was 1854. And then you got LV on the interior as well. And of course you got Vuitton on the bottom. But yeah, man, I'm just loving this sneaker already. I'll probably save the on foot review for one of my vlogs, or I'll probably put another short together for you. Let me know in the comments what y'all think, man. You think it's a good deal? Is $600 too much? Feeling the shoes in general? Did your boy overpay? Did I underpay? Let me know in the comments, man. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Your boy's coming out with more content. We're going to Dallas, going to Puerto Rico, going back to Africa at the end of the year. Y'all lock in with your boy. Peace.